everybody? It's DJ Envy, Angela Yee, Charlamagne the God. We are the Breakfast Club. We got a special guest with us this morning.
Yes, this is my guy. It's like a co-Breakfast Club co-sign. It's my man C Stone.
C Stone, what up?
What it do? What it do?
Now, C Stone, you from Houston, right?
I'm originally from Killeen, Texas, like 3 hours from Houston, but I've been in Houston for about 10 years now. So, you know, Houston embraced me like its own.
And if C Stone's face looks familiar, that's because he rolls with TV Johnny and Paul Wall. A lot of y'all have gotten your grills from him, your jewelry, your watches, all that good stuff.
Everything. We keep everybody iced up. So,
damn. So when the hell you started rapping?
I've been rapping. I've really been rapping, like I said, since high school, since coming back in Killeen. My brother, he won Showtime at the Apollo like 4 times.
4 times?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so on days I couldn't go outside and play sports, you know, I act like the producer, he would be the singer, and then once I rigged all this little stereo equipment to be able to record, I started doing freestyles. Me and my boy Big Deuce, Vimo, we started freestyling, and then I'm a businessman. So if you buying it, I'm selling it. So once I seen that one person come to me like, hey, the CD y'all was playing in the locker room, let me buy one. I was like, okay, I'm gonna keep doing it.
I came in the game slowly, now everybody know me. Used to sling rocks, now I put them in my roll. In a new text, breaking sayonara to the old me. R.I.P. Pops, I'm doing everything you told me. Like take care of the fam, build myself a team, take my brand around the world and always represent Killeen. Told me never trust these hoes, they think exactly like a man do. I fell in love with one, but I was tripping, I just had to. That was another lesson learned. I took the good shit with the bad shit, told her pack her shit and burn. Next topic. Now that I got it, my whole team see profit. I got an album in the vault, give me $1 million, I drop it. I used to penny pinch, now if I want it, I cop it. Now I got all kind of hoes and I spoil them right. I got the judge on my hip for them niggas that's plot. You acting hard on the web, but you softer than cat.
You see, things work out best for those who make the best of how things work out. Do I need to say that again? I said things work out best for those that make the best of how things work out. I got an example of that for y'all. Get 'em quick!
Okay, reppin' Texas, rapping about that action, setting standards. Country grammar, ain't your mama, sipping partners on that juice. With a past of whipping babies, just swear it was child abuse. Talking soda, no noodle soup. Where I'm from, you duck or shoot. Hit a lick, you cut that too. Hit a dip, you spit that too. But the passion is rapping, your only passion is passion fruit. Breadwinners, we poppin' and popular with them boppers. Also, them haters be hating, they don't say it, but I know they watch my time like a 40. Chase that check, get your pay up. Call me no shirt shouty. When your bitch wanna lay up, it's a math to this money and a science to pimp it. All you suckers is history. Kanye shrugs with no feelings, the gut on slow.
I appreciate that, Q.
Quentin Brown.
And I salute you, my nigga, you doing your thing.
One time for y'all.
BWMG. Breadwinner Music Group.
We here, we been here.
Breadwinner Money Gang.
Ain't going nowhere.
To the doubters, the non-believers, the haters.
You see me?
Y'all see I'm still right here.
That's the kind of shit I'm on. I'm not on some just sponsor you some shit to wear. We trying to build it. To get it there, you gotta be into the business on watch.
This Diamond Boys movement popping, you know what I'm saying?
What up, Paul Wall? What up, Johnny?
We opening up a new jewelry store.
Johnny Dang and Co. What up?
I got a movie coming out, man. A movie.
Breadwinner Films. I see
That's
King
what I've been
David
doing.
We'll get it done.
But guess what?
We work.
To my real fans, my supporters, the ones that been rocking with me, I ain't gonna leave y'all no more. I'ma keep it coming.
Yeah.
And to my new supporters,
Yeah.
welcome to the Breadwinner Money Gang. Lifetime members.
And I'm still sipping.
Let's get it.